What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a brand new video for you today on a Monday morning. It is a 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. It's a white truck with color match fender flares on it already. It's coming from South Carolina, I believe. This truck is getting a 7-inch Cognito Performance lift kit with some 37 1250 22 Toyo Open Country RT trail tires on some 22x10 KG1 seismic wheels in the polished finish. Gonna look absolutely gorgeous in this truck. I'm about to get out right now and show you what the truck looks like. This truck looks amazing. It's the perfect truck to start out with. Here's our perfect 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. It's white, black trim. It's amazing. Has the Vader chrome on the front. Already has the color match fender flares on it. The 7-inch Cognito Performance lift kit comes with Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks, comes with steering braces and upper control arms. So this is gonna be a really clean truck with a nice kit on it when it's done. Coming back with a 22x10 KG1 wheels. They're forged wheels, really nice wheels. 37 1250 22 Toyo Open Country RT trail tires are the best you can get. Really smooth, quiet, all-terrain tires. Stay tuned for the process. We're gonna get this truck pulled in just a second. And I appreciate everybody watching. Yeah. All right, so I got story time for you. Unfortunately, the end of this video, I wasn't able to film because bad timing. I had a thing I had to do, and I couldn't be at work, and that truck wasn't done that day like I thought it was going to be. So I didn't get to do the walk-arounds or the cinematic shots or anything of it, so I'm going to have to do a little, almost like a voiceover for you. Really am happy with the way the truck turned out. The 2026 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate turned out amazing with this 7-inch Cognito lift kit. Cognito is a non-torsion bar drop lift kit that I really didn't even think about it. That's like the only one in that size that you can get with a non-torsion bar drop bracket. So I had a guy call me yesterday about it. This is a really, really good kit. The Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks are amazing that come in the performance kit, and the steering braces are awesome, and also the upper control arms are great. This kit's going to ride very, very smooth on the truck. We did the 22x10 KG1 Seismic wheels in the polish finish. They're great, awesome wheels. They don't stick out too far. They sit really nice on the truck. We did the 37 1250 22 Toyo Open Country RT trail tires. Like I said, this is an amazing all-terrain tire. There's no noise involved with it. 45,000 mile warranty. Comes with that 45-day ride guarantee. It's a very, very nice tire. The truck looks amazing. I wanted to say I appreciate it to the customer that drove all the way from South Carolina. Again, I'm about to put a quote right behind this clip so you can see what this job would cost. He got a couple other things done on this truck that I wasn't able to film, so I'm just going to give you the price for the lift kit, the tires, the wheels, everything that goes with that. So once again, appreciate everybody watching. Stay tuned for that quote, and I'll see you again next week.